Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 super easy breakfast options for your low carb or keto lifestyle. There are some savory options as well as some sweet options. There's literally something for everybody. Make sure you are subscribed if you are new to my channel, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up if I helped inspire your breakfast routine. Breakfast option number 1, probably my favorite, which is why I think I put it as number 1, pancakes. When I'm craving pancakes, I gotta have them, low carb lifestyle or not. But luckily, Birch Bender's makes this amazing paleo pancake mix, or waffle mix actually. It's amazing, I love it. The carbs are perfect, and I'm actually gonna top it 2 different ways today. I love to use this Smucker's natural peanut butter on some, and some sugar-free butter flavor syrup on others. I don't even use, this says 1/4 cup as a serving. I literally use a little drizzle. That's all you need for this syrup. I just use a non-stick skillet and a little bit of butter and just cook them right up just like normal pancakes. Don't be turned off by the eggy smell when you're cooking these if you're using this brand. They just taste like a normal regular pancake. They're delicious. So I topped some with butter and syrup, and then the others I'm just gonna do like a protein pancake. So these are perfect because they taste like a normal pancake. I can't stress that enough. These taste amazing. So if you just top them with some peanut butter, it's a great on-the-go breakfast. I love doing this, especially like I said, for just a little bit extra protein kick. Breakfast number 2 is going to be the traditional low carb or keto breakfast. This one is just a classic to me. Half an avocado, 2 eggs, 2 slices of bacon, or you could do 2 slices of sausage. It's just perfection, especially when I'm craving something that's really going to satisfy and keep me full for a long time. Lots of pink Himalayan sea salt and black pepper. This one's so good. Breakfast number 3 is going to be my ultimate burrito. I love this breakfast burrito. The star of the show are these Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas. They're only 4 net carbs each, and boy, do they taste like a regular flour tortilla. I would strongly suggest trying these out if you never have before. So all I'm gonna do is scramble up an egg with a little bit of heavy cream, salt and pepper, and then I'm actually going to cook some bacon. I like to do 415 in the oven for that for about 15 minutes. Just watch it carefully so it doesn't burn. And my tortilla, I just microwave it real quick with the cheese on it, and it's double duty. You melt the cheese, you warm up the tortilla. Then I'm just gonna top it with the egg and the bacon, a little bit of sugar-free ketchup by Heintz, another one of my go-tos, must-haves for my fridge. And there you have an amazing, savory breakfast burrito that literally keeps me full for hours. The next breakfast is gonna be this quick and easy yogurt breakfast if you're feeling like you're deprived from yogurt on a low carb lifestyle or keto. Look no further. This Too Good yogurt is delicious. I would highly recommend trying it if you haven't. I like to top it with 2 different kinds of granola depending on what I have on hand. This one by Wildway is so delicious. I love the coconut cashew flavor. The carbs are decent and it's just delicious. This one I get only at Wegmans. If I don't have it, I love to use the keto nut granola by Low Karb. This one is also really delicious and nice and crunchy. The other one is a little bit more soft. So depending on what you like, I would suggest trying out one of these granolas. So I could not do this video and not include a smoothie. This is my go-to smoothie. There's only a couple of ingredients and I usually have everything on hand. It just makes the most pretty, delicious smoothie. If you're craving that in your life, make something like this. So I'm just gonna be using a 1/4 cup of blueberries, and then I like to use the salted caramel keto collagen by Perfect Keto. And then some flaxseed, love this for some extra fiber. And then I did not have almond milk. If I did, I would use a cup of almond milk, but instead I'm gonna use a cup of water and a splash of heavy cream. This is the protein I'm gonna be using. Carbs are very low. It's not my favorite protein, but it will do the trick. This one by BioTrust is actually my favorite. I just ran out, so this is an empty bottle, unfortunately, sad face, but I'm gonna be ordering some more soon. So like I said, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of blueberries, 2 teaspoons of flaxseed, I'm gonna do a scoop of the keto collagen and then also a scoop of the protein powder. Not only is this smoothie delicious, it is so beautiful to look at. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. Leave down in the comments which breakfast is your go-to. I would love to know. Or if you have another option that you love, I would also love to know. I love switching up all of my routines for eating. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you really soon with a new video. Bye everybody.